welcome along, and in today's video it's Eagles Classic Alert. We're going way back to 76, I do believe. I'm sure you'll put me straight. By the Eagles, big hit for them. This is called Peaceful Easy Feeling. And in today's video we're going to have a little strum through. I'm going to show you how to play all of the chords in the right order, the strum pattern. We're going to, by the end of this video, you'll be able to play through the rhythm part of the whole song. So do stick around. If you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so let's get started then. So first things first, we're going to go through the chords. So there's 4 chords in this song. First, I'm going to put all of these, the chord diagrams, on the screen as we go. So feel free to pause and copy what I'm doing. First one is E major. Okay, so there we go. I'll bring it up to the camera. So E major. Then we're going to move down to an A major. Now, I like to use these 3 fingers rather than the first 3 fingers when I'm coming from E. That's up to you, right? So E to A, or if you want to go E to A, but that's all going to be on the screen for you. Next, we're going to move up to the chord of B major. Now, we're going to do it as a bar chord. So what that is barring all 6, 2nd fret, and then you got the choice to 4, 3, 2, 1 with our 3rd finger. Yeah, so we've got that. Now, take care you don't play the 1st string, because that's going to give you what's known as a B6. So try and stop short of that. Slightly lift up if you can on the 3rd finger. Or the other way of doing it that I like to do is, you may see me from time to time putting my little finger on 4, 3, 2 like that, and then putting my so I normally go like that. I normally jam it down with my 3rd finger. So I get the B like that. Okay. Then we've got F sharp minor, which is again on the 2nd fret, all 6 strings, and then with our 3rd and 4th fingers, we're going to be on the 4th fret, on the A string and the D string. I'll bring that up to the camera for you again. There we go. That's an F sharp minor. Okay, so they're the chords we're going to need for this song. So next, strum pattern. So this is where it gets quite interesting. So what happens is we've got the bass notes change. Okay, so for the E chord, we're going to hit our root note, which is E. We're going to go with our pick, and then we're going to go up, down, up. Then we're going to hit the A string with our pick, which is string number 5, and then up, down, up, and then go back to the start again. So we've got like that. 6th string, 5th string, 6th string, 5th string, 6 up, down, up, A up, down, up, E up, down, up. So E string, A string, E string, A string, E string, up, down, up, A string, up, down, up. Then we move to the chord of A. When we're doing it in A, it's the other way around. The A note will be picked first, so 5th string, and then we'll go to the 6th string. So it's the other way around when we go to the A. So that's yeah, A up, down, up, E up, down, up, A up, down, up, E up, down, up. Yeah, so that's for the A. When we're playing the B, it's the same as we were doing for the A chord. So that will be the A string, then the E string. And then finally, for the F sharp minor, it's going to be the way we was doing it for the E, which is going to be the E string first, then the A string. Okay, so that is the strum pattern. Right, now let's go through the verse first. So I'm going to write that on the screen so you'll be able to follow along, but it goes 1 bar of E, then to A, and then to E, and then to A, A to A, and then to B. Can we do it again? E to A, and then to E, then to A, A, then to A, and then to B. And then we go into the chorus. So, 1 bar of E, 1 bar of A, then again, 1 bar of E, 1 bar of A, then again, 1 bar of E, 1 bar of A, and then finally 2 bars of B. And that chord progression repeats twice for the chorus, for the verse, sorry, for the verse. So we'll go through that one more time, the verse. 2, 3, 4. E to A, to E, and then to A. E to A, and then to B. And again, E to A, E to A, E to A, and then to B. Okay, then and now we're on to the chorus. Right, so the chorus goes like this. We've got 2 A's, 2 E's, 2 A's, then an F sharp minor and a B. Let's hear what that sounds like. 2, 3, 4. 'Cause I got an A, then to E, back to A, da da da, ba ba, F sharp minor, then to B, 'cause and then we got E, F sharp minor, then to A, then B, back to E. 4 bars of E. So that is the chorus. So the structure of the song goes verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Then we're going to land ourselves into the instrumental, which is, you know, the guitar and that plays their bit over the top of what we're going to play. This is where it slightly changes. Now, if you want to, if you need to go back and check the chorus again, you'll notice we've got 2 bars of A, 2 bars of E, 2 bars of A again, then an F sharp minor before going into a B. Now, the chorus doesn't, the instrumental doesn't do that. So that is the last time that the chorus is going to be played like that. From here on in, no, from here on out, we've got 2 bars of B rather than having an F sharp minor and then a B. So it'll go like this. So the instrumental will go like this. 2, 3, 4, E to A, and then to E, then A, E to A, and then to B. And again, here we go. This is the verse part of the instrumental. Da da A, then to E, and then to A, E to A, and then to B. Right, this is the chorus part of the instrumental. A, E, E, A, then to B. So he doesn't do the F sharp minor, and then E, F sharp minor, A, B, and back to, and then we're back to E. But when it comes out of the instrumental, it slams straight into a verse. There's no 4 bars of E like we've had before. It'll come out of the instrumental and it comes straight into, and what it does, it rings down once and lets the other 3 beats it rings over the rest of the bar. So if we just take you out of the instrumental, so let's go from the A of the instrumental. 2, 3, 4. A, back to E, and then to B, and then E, F sharp minor, then A, B, then to da da ba, da 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 da. It does that, see, it goes da da da. We're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4. And then the rest of the verse is the same after the instrumental. It's just the first 2 bars aren't picked, strummed out like that. They just da da bam bam ba ba, and then it starts. And then finally, we've got, it finishes with the chorus, and then what happens is the final line of E, F sharp minor, A and B is repeated a total of 6 times. Now what's happened is, it's 3 times of it is going to be him singing the last line, and then 3 times of it is just the outro of the song. So let's go through that again. So this is the final chorus, what it will sound like on the record. So 2, 3, 4. A, E, E, A, B, and then E, F sharp minor, A, then B, and more E, then F sharp minor, then A, B again and E, F sharp minor, then A, B on the ground, E to F sharp minor, A, B, 2 more times, here we go, E, F sharp minor, A, then B, final time, E, F sharp minor, A, and then B, and finishing on E. So there we have it, Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Really lovely to hear from you. I do read all the comments. And if you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure as always. Catch you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.